Internet time doesn't work like real time. Sounds strange, right? But think about it. The way time moves online is completely different from how it moves in the real world. Let's start with a basic example, a trending tweet. It explodes with likes, shares, and replies, then vanishes into obscurity within hours. Compare that to a conversation in real life. If something huge happens, people talk about it for days, weeks, maybe longer. Online? You're lucky if a post stays relevant for 24 hours. That's not just because we're distracted, it's because internet time flows differently. Now, why is that? The feed is a time machine. Your social media feed isn't chronological, it's algorithmic. That means it manipulates your perception of time. You might see a video from yesterday, a meme from 2 years ago, and a post from this morning, all in the same scroll. It's like time folding in on itself. The platform decides what you see, not when it happened. This distorts our sense of what's recent or old. Time compression online. A 10-minute YouTube video might feel long, but you can binge 15 of them in one sitting and not realize 2 hours have passed. TikTok? Even worse. You hop on for 5 minutes and suddenly it's midnight. This is called temporal compression. Your brain doesn't register online time the same way it does in real life. Digital content is fast, compact, and addictive. It's like time is being squeezed. Viral decay and digital fossils. Ever wonder why viral content dies so fast? One reason is digital decay. Engagement drives visibility. If people stop interacting, it dies. The shelf life of a tweet? Minutes. A TikTok? Maybe 24 to 48 hours. But the internet also has digital fossils, posts that resurface years later. Someone reposts an old Vine, a comment thread goes viral again, or a Tumblr post from 2011 suddenly shows up on Reddit. The past is always one click away. The illusion of now. There's no universal, present moment, online. Two people can be on the same platform, at the same time, and experience completely different timelines. You might see breaking news. Someone else is watching cat videos from 2016. The internet is fragmented. It doesn't move forward like a clock, it spirals in every direction. The slow internet movement. Now some people are fighting back. There's a movement called the slow web, websites that update once a day, or even once a week. No feeds, no notifications, no likes. Just intentional content. People are realizing that digital time can be toxic. It burns attention, creates anxiety, and fragments reality. The slow web tries to bring time back under control. Archived eternity. We often say the internet never forgets. And that's mostly true. Even deleted posts can live on through screenshots, re-uploads, or archives. But here's the twist: the internet forgets in weird ways. A blog from 2008 might still be live, untouched. But a massive trending article from 2020? Gone. The digital memory isn't fair, it's patchy. Like a ghost with selective amnesia. Digital ghost towns. Old forums. Abandoned MySpace pages. Broken GeoCities links. There are corners of the internet where time has stopped completely. No updates. No visitors. Just echoes. These ghost towns give us a glimpse of the past, preserved in pixels. It's creepy, nostalgic, and kind of beautiful. Your internet past is a time capsule. Search your old usernames. Look through your Facebook memories. You'll find versions of yourself you forgot existed. The internet doesn't just distort time, it records it. Every click, every photo, every dumb comment, it all adds up to a digital diary, even if you didn't mean to make one. Internet time is algorithmic time. The real culprit behind all this? Algorithms. They decide what you see, when you see it, how often you see it, and even what you remember. You're not moving through time, you're moving through data pathways, controlled by systems designed to keep you scrolling. The faster you scroll, the less you remember. The more you scroll, the more time disappears. The final thought. So does time actually move faster online? Technically, no. But mentally, emotionally, and socially? Absolutely. The internet doesn't just bend time, it rewires it. We live in an endless present. Nothing ends, nothing settles, and everything is always, just happened, or happening now. You're not just using the internet. You're living inside a different timeline. If that tripped you out even a little, hit subscribe to stay on this glitchy ride through CONCURDANET. Like, share, and leave a comment about the oldest thing you ever randomly found online. Let's bend some more timelines together.